Guys, we're back, and hopefully this time it will work. I will slide in the battery as such, and VR box is supposed to be working. Oh, look, it is connected. Fantastic. So now we can show you guys what this can do. So you have this button here for the volume, and we'll just get out of here real quick. For the volume, it will turn off the volume there. You can raise the volume, and the other one, you can lower the volume. This thing here doesn't always work. If you go into an application such as a calculator or something like that, if you press this button on top, there's two of them. This takes you out. If you go into photograph mode, I believe you should be able to take a picture. No, this is still volume. I think there was one button that took a picture.
Maybe it's D.
I don't remember. This one takes you out of the application. We'll try it again. Oh, there we go. D works. You want to take a picture of something, you can press D, and it'll take a picture. Fantastic. Yeah, so that's what you have. You're supposed to be able to change modes by pressing the at and C or A or any of those. So far, I have not been able to figure out how that works. Doesn't always work the way you want it to. But yeah, as far as the other one, I still can't get this to pair up with this phone. And as you can see from my previous videos, I was not able to do it with the iPhone 6. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this helps you guys. Another thing that you notice is that the letters show up so much better on the black one than they do on the white one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.